All new Vinci Summer Camp 2026. This summer, we have prepared 3 growth pathways for students. The first pathway is robotics competitions, from VEX IQ to V5, from beginner building to advanced programming, and even a full year Mate Rove underwater robotics program. Every step is designed to prepare for real competitions. The second pathway is AI and programming. Newton AI Lab Camp is a fully immersive 5-day experience where students build real projects. Hands-on, in-build apps with AI. Students create AI-powered projects in just 1 week. In Build Your AI Assistant Agent, students use Python and multi-agent technologies to build their own AI assistants. The third pathway is innovation courses. Innovation Makers teaches students to think like product managers, from ideas to 3D printing and project websites. Experience 101 introduces students to cutting-edge AI tools through hands-on learning. These 3 pathways cover grades 4 through 12, from interest exploration to competition training to advanced engineering. There is a pathway for every student.